In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not showing my playlist. We will walk through a simple set of checks in the Spotify desktop app so you can get your playlist to appear again. First, open the Spotify desktop app. If it is already open, bring it to the front so it is the active window. On Windows, you should see the green Spotify icon on your taskbar, and on Mac it will be in the dock. Once it opens, you should see the familiar Spotify layout with Home, Search, and your library on the left side. Now look at the very top of your screen for the menu bar and click Help. On Windows, this is in the top left of the app window, next to File and Edit. On a Mac, it will be in the System menu bar at the very top of your screen. When you click Help, a drop-down list appears with several support options, which confirms you are in the right place. From there, select Troubleshooting and click Reset App Data and Restart. After you choose Troubleshooting, a small submenu opens, and Reset App Data and Restart will be one of the items. When you click it, Spotify closes itself and then launches again automatically. This clears cached data that often hides or delays updates to playlists, but your account, saved playlists, and downloads stay linked to your login. When the app comes back, wait a few seconds for your library to reload. Once Spotify has restarted, go to the Your Library tab. You will find your library on the left sidebar, under Home and Search. Click it, and the main area of the window switches to show your saved content. At the top, you should see sections like Playlists, Podcasts, Artists, or Albums, depending on what you have saved. This tells you the app is now focused on your personal collection rather than general recommendations. Next up, tap the Playlist Filter pill at the top of the screen. You will see several rounded buttons or pills, such as All, Playlists, Albums, and Artists. Click the one that says Playlists so it is highlighted. The list below now shows only your playlists. This avoids scrolling through albums or artists while you are just trying to confirm that specific playlists exist in your account. At this point, check your sort order. If it is set to downloaded items only, any playlist not saved directly to your device storage will disappear from view. Look for a small drop-down or filter text near the top of the playlist list and click it to make sure downloaded items only is not active. Also, turn off any search filters you might see, such as by name or creator. If you still do not see a playlist, search manually using the magnifying glass, then type part of your playlist name. When a hidden playlist matches your search, it appears in the list immediately, which confirms it was just being filtered, not deleted. You have now reset Spotify app data, focused your library on playlist, and cleared filters so your missing playlist can show up again. If this helped your playlist reappear, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Spotify fixes.